some varieties.
Hi guys, here we are again, feeding the ducks and that, but this time thanks to a viewer who commented to let us know that unbeknown to us at the time, but since we've now been educated, when we was putting all the crisp out and stuff like that, we totally forgot about the salt content and the sugar and stuff like that for the squirrels and the birds. We totally overlooked that, we just didn't realise. So since that kind person told us over message, we decided to correct it. So now we're not going to be doing the crisp and things like that anymore on the biscuits, because yeah, it makes sense, salt content and that. It's really not good for the wildlife and squirrels, even though we thought at the time it was doing some good. Apparently we won't. So yeah, just straightforward bread and stuff like that from now on. So,
and birdseed when we get
birdseed, yeah, when we can get it. Oh look, the duckies are getting interested already, creeping up behind us. Look at them real cautious, like, ooh, they got out for us. Yeah, well, we have. Well, chill, guys, chill. Yeah, just take it easy. We'll get to you in a minute. Yeah. Well, so there you go, guys. We educated ourselves on it. Thanks to somebody who commented. We really appreciate that comment.
I'm going to the water.
Yes, we didn't know. Oh, hello, Mr. Geese. You won't get no food with that attitude now, will you? No. Yeah. See you later, Mr. Geese. Kelly Whaley's feeding them.
Come on, Snowy. Get it. That's it. Sorry, I know it's in their favourite.
Hello, I ain't gotten on yet. So no good creeping up and sneaking up on behind me like that. Hello there.
Hello, Snowy. There you go, Snowy. Munch away. Oh, now you all want to come. I'll get some in here. You
all
can
right,
do it.
yeah.
I'll video you in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Fucking chill. Chill. Super fucking attitude. Fucking attitude bastards.
Them two pairing off down there. Come on, Snowy. 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 Oh, really?
Snowy says, computer said no. Computer don't recognise that name. Yeah. Ooh, gonna feed the dogs. Chill, guys. I'm getting to you in a moment.
This is a bit.
Chill the fuck out. What?
This is a bit. It's turned.
Bit manky.